Ano pong unang pumapasok sa isip niyo pag nababanggit po ang UPIS Media Center?
Dugot pawis.
News.
Photos? News. News.
Posts, events,
Photography skills po.
Tumblr nyo.
Maraming ginagawa.
Video na ina-upload niyo every year kapag magte-take over yung isang MC.
RWR, NR.
Sila yung may hawak nung overall media literacy ng UPIS.
Hindi ko alam.
Maraming ginagawa.
Mga artistic articles. Mga creative.
The great ates and great kuyas who are supportive and very creative.
Photography and the videos that they take and all the articles.
Action.
Mga coverage nila ng mga events dito sa school.
Nice room.
Matrabaho.
Aircon.
Usually yung mga writings mga articles na sinesend nila, mga information sa pinapakita niya sa amin.
They're very informative.
Awareness.
They're very up-to-date.
Mulat sila palagi, especially in their articles.
Yung mga shoots na ginagawa ng media center, lalo na pag may events, especially during UPIS days.
Kung maganda nilang art sa IG.
Family at the same time, videos. Kaya yung documentation talaga yung ninyo pinaka gamay na gamay ninyo, trabaho ninyo.
Information, dissemination, organization.